feeling trapped in your 9 to 5 job, sick of traffic jams, office politics, and limited income? According to the statistics, you're not alone. Many people are realizing there's a problem with the typical 9 to 5 life. But what is the solution? It's high-ticket affiliate marketing. It offers a lot of potential for financial freedom and flexibility. Just imagine waking up on a weekday without an alarm. You control your schedule, no rushing through traffic or answering to a boss. With high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can make a substantial amount of money. We're talking big commissions like $1,000 or $2,000 with each sale. Every sale you can make will impact your financial situation. It's a proven path to time and financial freedom. I made my first $100,000 and I quit my job in just 8 months because of high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the best part, you can work from anywhere, whether that's the beach, cozy coffee shop, or your own home office. You set the rules and you're not tied to a specific location or time. That's the kind of flexibility that high-ticket affiliate marketing offers. You can design a lifestyle that fits you. Are you ready to see the potential for financial freedom and flexibility that high-ticket affiliate marketing can offer for you? Then follow along and comment info to learn how to get started.